And now, our feature presentation.
I'm Johnny Thunder, and this is my sidekick, Taren.
Hey Johnny, how are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing good. How are you?
Doing good too. Hi. Hey Johnny, have you heard about Sam Sinister?
Oh, what happened to Sam Sinister?
He just broke out of jail. Now he's out to get us because he wants the treasure.
Sure, I keep in this briefcase.
Johnny, you keep your treasure in a briefcase with you all the time?
Sure I do. What else should I do with it?
Put it in a safe place. See ya, Johnny.
Wait, that Taren, what a character.
A few moments later.
Hey Taren, have you noticed that our left tire's missing?
That you mention it, Johnny, it is missing. Maybe we better fix it. Be back. I'm just gonna fix this tire because it's missing. All finished. I'm back.
Okay, get in and drive. Now. Crikey! There's a croc in the street.
Johnny, why'd your voice change?
Quiet, you. Now, time to wrestle this gator. Whoa, isn't she a beauty? This croc here looks like a mother defending her eggs. She don't want anybody getting close to her youngins. Now, I'm just gonna wrestle this here gator and get him off the road so me and Taren can get on with our way. Gator, isn't she a beauty? Just got you by the tail. Ah, thought you could get rid of me, eh? By your tail. Pull you off this cliff. That'd be better. That'll end that gator's life. But wasn't she a beauty? My crocky, Taren, come pick me up now. Watch out, Crocky!
Meanwhile,
I am Sam Sinister. No one is stronger and better than me, Sam Sinister. Have a hook for a hand. Me, Sam Sinister, with a hook in my hand. I have broken out of jail to find Johnny Thunder's treasure. Now, I will find him. Starting now. Thunder's gonna die.
You know, Taren, I've been thinking. That Sam Sinister, he's one bad guy. Honestly, I'm scared to death of him. So, what I'm gonna do, hide behind this here tree so he can't find me.
Hey, Johnny, where'd you go?
You can't see me, Taren?
No. Should I be able to?
No, it's good that you don't. Now, scram before Sam Sinister sees you. There he is. Scram!
I am Sam Sinister. Sam Sinister am I. There's that Johnny Thunder.
That tree sure has a big trunk. He must not be here. I'll keep looking. That was too close. Hey, Taren, you can come out now.
I sure don't like that Sam Sinister. He always makes me feel funny.
Yeah, me too. With that big gun of his. Who knows what he could do with it?
What do you do now, Johnny?
I don't know, but whatever it is, it's away from here. Apes! It's a horse! Beauty. I think I'll ride her. Yeah, giddy up, horsey. Kid, stop.
What is it, mister?
I need to borrow your bike.
I can't let you, 'cause it's my, bike, and, I don't let people take things that are mine.
Well, you better let me because this is very important. I'm with the police.
Okay, if you're with the police.
Thanks, kid. One more thing before I go. Why are you wearing a life jacket?
My mommy says I could drown any time.
Okay. See ya.
Soon after.
Hey. Hold on there. Gotta wait for my friend to catch up.
Hey, Johnny.
Hey, Taren. You finally catched up. It's kinda. Yeah, whatever. I'm not majoring in grammar. Okay. I better be sending this wild horse back on its way. Yeah. I think you should take that motor scooter and drive it off a cliff.
Long bike.
Hurry up, Sam Sinister might be coming. That went well.
Sure did. So what do we do now?
Well, I don't know. Mwah-ah-ah! I am Sam Sinister. Mwah-ah-ah! Here I come, boys. Mwah-ah-ah! I'm coming right now. La la la. Here I am. It's time for you to die. Mwah-ah-ah! Say goodbye to each other. Well, Johnny, it was nice knowing you. You too, Taren. Miss you, man. I'm gonna miss you too. I love you, Johnny. I like you too, Taren. And now you must die. Go ahead, Sam. Shoot me first. I'm ready. Okay. Well, you'll be joining him soon. Prayers, Johnny. Okay. Okay. Just shoot me. Ask for it. I am a murderer. That gun can be heard miles away. And there's a police station miles away. And, uh-oh. Maybe I better be going. You had a terrible life and you wanted it to end.
He's Sam Sinister. His name says it all. He's rotten, chilling, and evil to the bone. If you think for once he'll show you mercy, think again, you fool, because he won't. He's Sam Sinister. Sam Sinister is he? Is he? He's the worst of the worst and kills for fun. He even hates kittens. What a jerk! No one stands a chance against his evil plans. And that's because his plan is just to shoot you in the face. He's Sam Sinister. Who